First, we need a variable to know if the user has a special or not. This will be added to the HUD script because there is only one HUD per player, as opposed to the tile because there is many in the grid. From the project content browser, open up the HUD blueprint. From the My Blueprint panel, click the Add New button and select Variable. Name it Special, and make sure it's of a Boolean type. Now that we have a variable for it, we can use it in the game. When the user finds a match, we can grant a special if it has 4 or more matches. From the My Blueprint panel, double-click the OnMatched function. From the Actions menu, find the branch node and hook it up into the logic chain. From the Actions menu, get the special Boolean. Hook this into the branch condition. From the true part, drag a connection and find Set Special from the Actions menu. Make sure this is deactivated. Right-click on the Set Special node and select Duplicate. Hook this up to the false part. From the Actions menu, get the matched array. Drag a connection from the matched array and find length from the Actions menu. Then drag a connection from the length node and find greater than from the Actions menu. Hook this result into the Set Special property. Change the value in the comparison to 5. This means that when the user gets a match of 5 or more tiles, the next action is granted as a special.